Aloha! Today we're going to do Risk It All by Bruno Mars on this ukulele tutorial. This is a beautiful song. The guitar has a lot of movements to it, but we're going to keep it simple. We're going to do the main chords, and I found it's easier to learn this song as we take it in sections. So we're going to do verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and the bridge, and that's it. Let's do it. And before we begin, I recommend this ukulele chord book. I'll have it in the description below. Don't forget, the free song sheet will also be in the description below. So first, let's do the strum pattern. It'll be an easy plucking pattern. Take your first 4 fingers here. Each finger goes on each string, like so. And you're gonna do this. Pluck, tap, pluck, tap. And then you're gonna repeat. Let's try that. 1, 2, ready, go. Pluck, tap, pluck, tap, pluck, tap, pluck, tap, pluck, tap, pluck. One more time, pluck, tap, pluck, tap. Now let's do the verse. There's 2 verses in this song, and they're both the same. So let's start with the chords of the verse. The first chord is E minor. So take your first finger, bottom string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 1 string up, 3rd fret, ring finger, 1 string up, 4th fret. Sounds like this. The next chord is our B7. Just like the E minor, take your first finger, instead of the bottom string, go to the 2nd string, 2nd fret. Middle finger, up 1 string to the 3rd fret. Ring finger, up 1 string to the 4th fret. Here's how it sounds. Our next chord is our A7. Really easy, just 1 finger. Take your first finger, not the top string, but go down 1 string to the 1st fret like this. Next is our D chord. We'll take our first finger, top string, 2nd fret. Middle finger, 1 string down, also 2nd fret. Ring finger, 1 string down, also 2nd fret. Here's how it sounds. And the last chord for the verse is our F sharp minor. Now take your middle finger, start with the top string, 2nd fret, 1, 2. Take your first finger, down 1 string, 1st fret. Take your ring finger, down 1 string, 2nd fret. Okay, let's try our verse now. We'll start with the E minor. Okay, we'll do the first verse. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. For just a chance, E minor, to win your A7, you could set the D beyond the B7. I'll do E minor, A7, anything you ask me. F sharp minor, B7. So for the pre-chorus, we're going to add 1 more chord. It's a G minor. I'll show you how we're going to do it. It's a G minor 6. Take your first finger, bottom string, 1st fret. Take your middle finger, skip 1 string up to the 2nd fret. Here's your G minor or G minor 6. Now let's do the pre-chorus and chorus together. They contain all the chords that we have learned so far. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Say you want the E minor, watch me learn to G minor. Ain't no mountain you can F sharp minor. I wouldn't be 7. It's crazy, but it's E minor. There's nothing I won't A7. I'd risk it D for you. Now let's do the bridge. The 2nd verse is exactly the same, and the pre-chorus and the chorus the same. So let's do the bridge now. There are 4 new chords for the bridge. 3 of them are pretty easy, so I'll show you them right now. The first chord is our C7. Looks like our G minor, except only with our first finger. Take your first finger down to the 1st fret of the 1st string. Next is our A minor. Take your middle finger, top string, 2nd fret. The next chord is our B flat major 7, mouthful, but it's just like our B7 was. Our B7 was right here. All you do is go to the left 1 fret. This is our B flat major 7. The next is our E flat. I'll show you an easier way that I can do the E flat. Just bar the 3rd fret. Okay, here is the bridge. 1, 2, ready, go. I would G minor across the sea just to see 7. Sacred A minor, my life just to B flat major 7. I could go E flat to prove that you be A7 here in my arms. So there's a chord he does before repeating the 2nd chorus. It is the F sharp 7. I'll show you how to do that. Take your middle finger all the way to the top string, 3rd fret, ring finger down 1 string, 4th fret. Take your 1st finger down 1 string, 2nd fret. Take your pinky all the way to the bottom string, 4th fret. Okay, now let's try the last chorus 2 times. 1, 2, ready, go. It's crazy, but it's E minor. There's nothing I won't A7. I'd risk it F sharp 7 for B7. It's crazy, but it's E minor. There's nothing I won't A7. I'd risk it D now for you. There you have it. Risk It All, the #1 song when it debuted. Hope it was easier for you guys broken down like this. Don't forget to get the free song sheet in the description below. Again, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, comment below, and I'll see you on the next video. Mahalo and aloha.